Hi Montessori friends, welcome to another Montessoribox video. I don't know about you, but we're about a week away from summer vacation over here, and I am going to be having a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old home with me all summer long. So of course I've been brainstorming how to step up my DIY Montessori inspired activities over the summer, and trying to think of some ways that I can incorporate some pre-K activities and some toddler activities using the same basic materials. Okay, so enough talking, let's go ahead and jump right in. Today we're going to be going over how to make a color sorting activity at both the pre-K for my 5-year-old, it can also be a kindergarten activity for sure, level, and the toddler level. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the breakdown for how you make the pre-K/kindergarten level, and then we can talk about the modifications I'm going to make for our 2-year-old. And this is all you need: an egg carton, a pen, some craft scissors, rainbow rice, and then shades of craft paper in whatever colors you have dyed your rainbow rice. If you are not familiar with rainbow rice, I'm going to link my blog post on how to make it down in the description. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is we have to trace the bottom of our egg carton on our construction paper. So that's where your pen comes in. So you just trace one of the little compartments. Go ahead and cut that out, and let's do a test and see how we did. It should just slip right in there, and it should be pretty snug, so you don't even need to use glue or tape. Once you're happy with how that fits, you can use that as your template for the other colors. I'm going to pop off camera and finish that up. Now that that's done, all you have to do is stick them in your egg carton. We're going to go 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom because we're going to cut this guy in half. We only have 6 colors of rice to sort. They fit in there really snug, so once they're in there, they're really sturdy. And that's it. This activity is finished. So here's the setup. I have the egg carton on the top of the work mat with the rainbow rice in a little ramekin. I got this ramekin from the Dollar Tree. I think you get 3 for $1, great deal. And I put the tweezers on the right-hand side because my children are right-handed, but you would want to put it on the left-hand side if your child is left-handed. So all you're going to have them do is you're going to teach them how to open the egg carton, if they don't already know. And again, this is the pre-K or kindergarten version. They're going to use the tweezers. They're going to use their fine motor skills to tweeze just 1 grain of rice, and then they're going to sort it. And that is your sorting rainbow rice activity for the pre-K kindergarten level. Now real quick, I'm going to show you a very simple modification to make this activity friendly for toddlers. Ta-da! This is my toddler setup. So I went ahead and switched out the rainbow rice for those craft pom-poms. I switched out the tweezers for sugar cube tongs, and I'll go ahead and link where I got these on Amazon in the description. I read a lot of reviews, and it's really important that for the toddlers, these are really easy to pinch. They just don't have the muscle strength or dexterity to put a lot of torque behind them, so you don't want them to get frustrated. You want them to be able to easily pinch them closed. And the last change is that I swapped out my pink circle for red because in my pom-pom set I didn't have any pink, but I did have red. That's it. Just a few simple, easy changes, and you've got a great activity for a totally different age group. Well, I hope you enjoyed making that Montessoribox activity with me, and let's go see how the kids like it. Yay! Yay! You found blue!
Oh no.
You found green! Success! Now only 60 more days of summer left to fill. And I would love to help you with that. So if you liked what you saw today, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I post new videos. Please follow us on Facebook for more updates and activities to keep your family full of fun all summer long. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.